A moon base, just the thought of it sparks the imagination. Just saying it sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But in reality, it's much more than a dream. It's the logical next step for humanity's journey into space. Establishing a base on the moon is not just about exploration. Why? Well, for starters, it's our closest celestial neighbor, making it the perfect candidate for our first off-world settlement. Building a base there would let us test out technologies and strategies for longer missions like going to Mars and beyond. Imagine the innovations in life support systems, habitat construction, and resource utilization. Think of it as a stepping stone, a permanent outpost in space. This outpost would serve as a hub for scientific research and technological advancements. From there, we can launch missions farther into the cosmos without having to fight Earth's gravity. This would make deep space exploration more feasible and cost-effective. Plus, the moon is a treasure trove of scientific knowledge just waiting to be explored. Its surface holds clues to the early solar system and the history of our own planet. So how do we make this moon base a reality? The dream of establishing a permanent human presence on the moon is closer than ever before, but it requires meticulous planning and cutting-edge technology. First, we need a reliable power source. Without power, none of our systems can function, and our astronauts would be left in the dark. Solar power is a strong contender. The moon gets plenty of sunlight, and we can use those rays to generate all the electricity we need. Solar panels can be deployed across the lunar surface to capture this energy efficiently. Next up, habitation. Our astronauts will need a safe and comfortable place to live and work. These habitats must be designed to withstand the harsh lunar environment. Imagine modular living spaces buried beneath the lunar surface, shielding them from radiation and temperature extremes. These underground habitats will provide a stable and secure environment for our crew. Three-dimensional printing could even be used to construct these habitats using lunar dust. This innovative approach would reduce the need to transport building materials from Earth, making the construction process more sustainable and cost-effective. Transportation is key too. We'll need robust rovers to explore the lunar landscape and transport equipment. These rovers will be essential for conducting scientific research and maintaining the base. And of course, spacecraft capable of traveling between the moon and Earth will be essential for ferrying crew and supplies. These spacecraft will ensure a steady flow of resources and personnel, making the moon base a thriving outpost for humanity. Living on the moon won't be a walk in the park though. There are challenges. One big one is radiation. Unlike Earth, the moon has a very thin atmosphere, so it's constantly bombarded by cosmic rays and solar flares. The solution? Build our base underground or use lunar soil as shielding. Then there's the lack of breathable air and the extreme temperatures. We'll need to create self-sufficient life support systems that recycle air and water, and we'll have to design spacesuits that can withstand the harsh lunar environment. Section 4, Moon Base 101, a stepping stone to the cosmos. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has always fascinated humanity. Establishing a base here is not just a dream, but a tangible goal within our reach. Despite these challenges, the rewards of a moon base are immense. The construction of such a base would be a monumental achievement, showcasing our technological prowess and determination. Imagine scientists conducting experiments in low gravity, where the unique environment allows for groundbreaking research. The moon's surface offers a pristine laboratory, free from Earth's atmospheric interference, unlocking secrets of the universe that are impossible to study on Earth. These experiments could lead to discoveries that revolutionize our understanding of physics, biology, and the cosmos itself. Picture astronauts venturing out on expeditions to explore lunar craters, mapping the terrain, and searching for signs of ancient water ice. These missions could provide critical insights into the moon's history and its potential for supporting life. Searching for signs of ancient water ice. Water is essential for life, and could be used to support human habitation, as well as to produce fuel for further space exploration. A moon base would not just be a symbol of human ingenuity, but a testament to our ability to adapt and thrive in the harshest environments. It would serve as a beacon of hope and inspiration for future generations, but a launch pad for even more ambitious missions. From here, we could launch expeditions to Mars and beyond. Pushing the boundaries of human exploration, it could pave the way for mining rare minerals, which are scarce on Earth but abundant on the moon. These resources could be used to support both lunar and Earth-based industries, establishing a permanent human presence in space, creating a new frontier for humanity. This would mark the beginning of a new era in space exploration and human development, and maybe even one day, becoming a refueling station for voyages to Mars and beyond. The moon base could become a crucial hub in our quest to explore the solar system and beyond, making the dream of interplanetary travel a reality. Section 5. Conclusion: a giant leap for humankind. Building a moon base is a monumental undertaking, but one that's within our reach. The technologies exist, the resources are there, and the human spirit of exploration is as strong as ever. By pushing the boundaries of what's possible, we'll not only expand our knowledge of the cosmos, but also inspire generations to come. The moon is calling, and it's time for humanity to answer.